Ctrl A or select all. Instead of dragging your cursor to select entire article, you can simply press Ctrl A at the same time and it will instantly select entire article, which is especially useful if you have a really long article. Also, when you go on a specific folder and when you press Ctrl A, it will automatically select all the files and folders in that specific folder. Ctrl X or a cut. It will automatically cut whatever is currently selected and it will be ready to move somewhere else. For example, here. Ctrl S or a save. Here's one you should get into the habit of using. It saves your current document or a file. And if you are working on something important, pressing Ctrl S at the same time regularly, make sure you don't lose your work. Ctrl P or print. Need to print something? Press Ctrl P. This immediately opens the print option for the current document or a web page. F2 or a rename. Here is a really useful Windows shortcut, F2. Select a file or a folder, press F2 and you can rename it immediately without right-click and searching through menus. Press Ctrl T to instantly open a new browser tab. No need to move your mouse to the plus button. Finished with the tab? Press Ctrl W. This will instantly close active browser tab. But what if you accidentally close the tab? Don't panic. Press Ctrl Shift T at the same time and your last closed tab comes right back. This is one of the shortcuts you'll probably use all the time. Press F5 refresh. Press F5 to refresh the current web page. It is especially useful when you are waiting for a page to update or load new information. Press Windows D to instantly show your desktop. Press it again and your open windows come back. Windows L. If you are stepping away from your computer, press Windows L at the same time. It immediately locks your screen. It's much faster than going through the Start menu. Windows V. Here is a shortcut many people don't know about. Press Windows and the V at the same time. It opens your clipboard history, allowing you to see items you've already copied. So instead of being limited to just the last thing you copied, you can access previous clipboard items. And finally, one of my favorites, Windows plus Shift plus S. This lets you capture a specific area of your screen instead of taking a screenshot of everything. Press the shortcut, select the area you want, and your screenshot is ready to use.